Hi guys, welcome to China Fix and Baby. Today we will talk about three kinds of polish pen and a glue removal tool. And this is from Metallic, the first one. And this is the another polish pen from Matte. And this is Soldering tool, another polish pen. This is the glue removal tool. And another is the assistant tool. I like this. This is air blower. Another is manufacturer is universal, and the last one is screw separator. Now I will show you how to use the polish pen and the glue remover. Now let's start. Now let's have a look. The first one, the polish tool, Art X. Its accessories including the Type-C cable and all kinds of bit. Look, it has stringed or plant. This is polish tool. We can charge it from here. Look. It has 3-speed gear. First speed. Speed 2 and 3. Now let's use it. This is universal manufacturer. You can use it with all kinds of motherboard. Fix it. This is straight. You can also change it with the plant. Use this one. Fix it. First, let's adjust to 3 level. If you want it too fast, then adjust to the 2 level. Then you can adjust to the 1 level to polish. The universal fixture can be used with all kinds of models. It's universal. Like this. It's portable and you can use all kinds of soldering. Look, you can use it together. The polish pen can be used with all kinds of polishing and the engraving and cutting for goods for all kinds of repair salaries. Then another polish pen. It's straight there too. It also has 3 clear speed. Look. It comes with instruction. It's English and Chinese. It comes with different bit. Type-C cable. And a polish tool. It has 3 kinds of speed. Now let's try use it. Then another polish pen. It's similar with the last one. Oh look, it's bit. Type-C cable. Add polish pen. Three kinds of the speed. Here is the reach. You can charge it through here. It can be used with wireless. Loosen the screws and install the bit. Now let's try the polish pen with the universal fixture. Add a motherboard. The last one is a glow remover tool. It's Type-C cable. And the bit. This button can move forward. This is a move for reverse. The lamp, while you long press, then you will turn off the lamp light. It can help you to find the dust on the screen. A lantern can turn off. Then we install the bit. Fasten it. I will show you how to replace the glue on this stick screw. First, let's put the screw on this screw separator. Then remove the glue with the glue remover. Have a look. In this video, we have showed you how to use the polish pen, the three kinds of polish pen, together with the middle fixture. The middle fixture is universal, and I use the blower to clean all dust on it. And there are all kinds of the bit is provided together with the polish pen. Besides, we have also used the glue remover to remove the glue on the screw on this mobile phone. And besides together, we also use the screw separator to fix the mobile phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will list all the link of this product below this video, and if you have any idea or any question, you can share with me in the comment. Besides, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe our channel. See you next time.